Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. You are definitely welcome. So today's video we're going to be talking about 5 must-have every sisters should have, inclusively beginner friendly. Yes, every beginners should have 5 makeup products. A 5 product that you can have. You still look beautiful, you still look smarty, yes, you still look flawless. On the go, you can go anywhere with such 5 products. As a beginner, you don't want so much product because it's actually confusing when you hear about you have to color correct, or rather you have to contour, set, these and that. So it's actually confusing. But then, actually, I am going to be breaking it down for you to your understanding, so you don't get confused, so you can just like, oh, it actually makes sense. Yes, it does make sense. So guys, let's go ahead and start. In my first position, a primer. Yes, a primer. It doesn't matter the brand. It could be cheap, it could be expensive, it actually doesn't matter, but you need a primer for your skin. In my second position, a foundation. Yes, you want to cover some impurities. If you have one, you're going some event, you want to look so smarty and all that, you need a foundation. Like I said before, you don't need expensive one. If you want to go for expensive one, okay, but you need a foundation that suits your skin tone, that also suits your skin textures. You want a full coverage, okay. You want a medium to full coverage, okay. Or you want a light foundation. It could be satin finish, it could be matte, it could be dewy, it could be glow. It doesn't matter, sis. Basically, you need it. And for my third position, a foundation brush. Okay, I choose this foundation brush for a beginner because it is very easy to use. The size is very small, it's very portable, and it can go to those places, difficult places you want to touch, you know. Like example, you want to go to your forehead and you don't want to stain or obstruct your already done eyebrow. This can just go through those places and you are good to go. That is why I like it. You can actually go for anyone you want, cheap, expensive, whatever, it doesn't really matter. Then for the fourth position, a powder. Now you're done with your primer, with your foundation, you're done with your application. You also need a powder to set that foundation. It could be expensive, it could be cheap, but it doesn't really matter. But you need a setting powder and you are good to go. The fifth position is a lipstick. Yes, you need a lipstick, sister. Maybe sometimes you want to go out and you just finish up the foundation and you go out without lipstick. Where are you going, sis? Like I said, it doesn't matter the brand, but you need a lipstick. Whatever color you need, it doesn't matter. It could be a glossy one, it could be a nude one like I'm wearing right now. It's not a sharp one, but it doesn't matter. You need a lipstick to go through that perfect look. Yes, it complements your look. I put it that way. It completes your look, it complements it as well. Yes. Oh yes. So guys, that is the 5 must-have. A must-have you should have in your bag, in your kit, in your wardrobe, whatever you place or you store your makeup. These products, these items I just mentioned, the 5 should be there. So guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, on the notification button, like and comment. Tell me how you feel about this video. Actually, what are those products you use as a beginner? Do you still find this product essential for you? What do you think about it? If you like to try this product I just mentioned, please write down in the comment section below. Let me know your thought and let me know your beginner kit. What are the products you actually use as a beginner? Were you the type that started with contouring, that started with everything, or were you the type that just started simple that you don't want to get confused with a lot of products, or rather with a lot of things to apply on your face because you don't know how to go about it? Then let me know in the comment section. I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you so much for staying by and thank you for your support.